talking about divisibility rules in class. You're going to need that little blue sheet. It was a laminated sheet, and you should have it inside of your 3-ring binder. And I made sure you had it when you were in my math class, or when you were in class today, so I hope you have it with you. Alright, so first we're looking at 856, and we're deciding whether it's divisible by 2. Remember, to be divisible by 2, it needs to be even. So we'll write yes for that one. And in fact, we could just go down the 2's row if we wanted to and say yes, it's even, yes, 100 is even, and yes, 242 is even. This one's a no, because it's 17, it is not divisible by 2. This one is a yes, and here we've got, it ends in 2, so yes. Here we've got another yes. This one ends in a 7, so it's a no. This one ends in a 1, that's not even. This one is even, yes. And this one ends in a 1, so not even on that one. Alright, with 3's, remember we needed to add up the sum of the digits. Let's do this, and we'll just write it over to the left, and that way we'll have it for reference when we get to our 6's and 9's. So 8 plus 5 plus 6 is going to equal 19. 8 plus 3 plus 4 will equal 15. 1 plus 0 plus 0 will equal 1. 2 plus 4 plus 2 is going to equal 8. 4 plus 1 plus 7 is going to equal 12. 8 plus 8 plus 6 will equal 22. 9 plus 2 will equal 11. 5 plus nothing will equal 5. 474, I'm sorry, 7 plus 4 plus 7 is going to equal 18. 651 will equal 12. 6 plus 6 plus 2 will equal 14. And 5 plus 6 plus 1 will equal 12. Alright, now that we know that, with 3's, we're going to be looking more in the area that we just wrote. So, 19, is it divisible by 3? No. So, if it's not divisible by 3, it also will not be divisible by 6. 15, is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is. And we don't know yet if it'll, well, we do, if it's divisible by 6. If it's divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. 100, or actually 1, we're going to look at. Is 1 divisible by 3? No. Is 8 divisible by 3? No. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yeah, it is. So let's think about 6's. Is it divisible by 2 and 6? No. Oh, I said it wrong. Is it divisible by 2 and 3? No. It's only divisible by 3. So then 6 is not, 417 is not divisible by 6 because of this one right here. That kind of makes it, throws it off. 22 divisible by 3? No. So then that makes our 6 also a no. 11 divisible by 3? No. So that's going to make this also a no. 5 divisible by 3? Nope. And then that makes our 6 a no. 18 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. But since this one, this 2 was a no, then this has to be a no. 12 divisible by 3? Yes. Does it work for 6? No, because it's not divisible by 2. To be divisible by 6, it must be both divisible by 2 and 3. Alright, 14 divisible by 3? Nope. And 12, is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is. What about 6? Nope, because of the 2. And I missed one up here. This one would have been a no because it's not divisible by 3. Alright, for 4's now, we look at the last 2 digits. And so we're, oops, my smart board's a little off here. So 5 and 6, 56. Is 4 divisible by, I should say, is 56 divisible by 4? And the answer is yes. 14 times 4. How about 34 in this one? Is that divisible by 4? No. Here we've got 0, 0. The last 2 digits are 0, 0. Is that divisible by 4? No. Not the 0, 0. 42. Is 42 divisible by No. 17. Right here, the 1, 7. Is that divisible by 4? Nope. How about 86? Again, a no. 2? Nope. 0, 0? No. 47? No. 51? No. 26? No. And 61? No. Alright, 5th graders, there's one little error in here that's bothering me, and it's this one right here. Because I know that 25 times 4 is 100. And if I look at the last two digits, I'm saying 0, 0, that's not divisible by 4. So I had to look it up. And it says, there's another divisibility rule sheet that I've got, and it says if the 10th digit is even, which it is, that's our 0 here, and the 1's digit is a 0, a 4, or an 8, it's also divisible. So that one, I'm sorry, but the rule I gave you isn't working for that particular one. That one's actually a guess. Well, the 5s are going to be a whole lot easier. We know our 5s pretty well. They have to end in 0 or 5. So 56 or 6 is definitely going to be a no. This one ends in a 4, that's a no. This one ends in a 0, it's going to be a yes. This one ends in a 2, it's going to be a no. This one ends in a 7, will be a no. This one ends in a 6, will be a no. This one ends in a 2, will be a no. This one ends in a 0, it will be a yes. This one ends in a no. This one ends in a 1, so it's a no. This one ends in a 6, so it will be a no. And this one ends in a 1, so it will be a no. Alright, 5th graders, our last one is that 9s. And for the 9s, we're going to look again to the side where we wrote our different numbers, where we added up the digits. We found the sum of the digits. So with 856, the sum of the digits was 19. Is 19 divisible by 9? No. 9 times what equals 19? Nothing. So this one will be a no. The last one, or the next one, 834, the sum of the digits was 15. 15 is not divisible by 9. Sum of the digits for 100 was 1, not divisible by 9. 242, the sum of the digits was 8. 8 is not divisible by 9. 417, the sum of the digits was 12, and that is not divisible by 9. And 886, the sum of the digits was 22, again, not divisible by 9. And 902, the sum of the digits was 11, not divisible by 9. 500, the sum of the digits was 5, not divisible by 9. And 747, sum of the digits was 18. Yes, this one is divisible by 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 651, sum of the digits was 12, not divisible by 9. And 626, 6 plus 2 plus 6 was 14. That is not divisible by 9. And our last one, 561, the sum of the digits was 12, and that one is not divisible by 9. Thanks for working with me today.